Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change cabin air filter on this Peterbilt. Why you need to change or replace the cabin filter, because sometimes you feel like you are not getting enough air from the vents, or you are smelling something burning and the heat is not coming up. This Peterbilt 386 day cab. So how we can change it, I'll show you in a quick sec. So for that we need to go onto the passenger side, because there's gonna be a wheel panel at the bottom. You can see. Let's get to it. All right, so here we are at the wheel panel. All we have to do is just put your hand underneath. There's a little space you can put your hand, and you just need to need a little pull, and those snaps gonna right off. And then there's a slide in and out filter kind of mechanism. So as you can see the clips here, you can just easily pull these out. There you go. The way the Peterbilt made these filters, you can reuse them. You can just lightly wash them, blow it nicely, don't blow it so hard, so otherwise it's gonna make a hole into it. Rinse it and make sure this is dry, and you can just put it back the same way you took it out, because you can just easily line it up and then slide it in there. For that sometimes it's kind of, you can see in there. There you go. You can, that's how you could just clean it, put it back, and for sure you should have a good airflow now because it's clean. That's it. If you think this video is helpful, just do the thumbs up. Just to put this back, you just need to put this top two tabs into that space and then push it nicely. There you go. Nice and easy step for the installation. Thanks for watching video. Have a good one.